everybody, and welcome back to a very exciting episode here on the Quarter Acre Homestead. Today we are making potting soil. It's the beginning of, hey, I have my 5-year-old taking the video. It's the beginning of 2019 gardening season. We're making our potting soil. We are going to plant some lettuce today and some tomatoes. It is mid-February, February 16th. We're going to get these started in a heated room with some fluorescent lights, and we have a greenhouse this year, so we're excited to put some lettuce and tomatoes in there soon and start eating lettuce early in the spring. So sit down, relax, and join us. Let's make some potting soil. We're just scooping up our peat moss here, and then we're gonna go mix up our potting soil. All right, you guys, if you've watched our channel before, you've seen this recipe for potting soil that we like. We just do 2.5 gallons of peat moss, 2.5 gallons of compost, 2.5 gallons of perlite. Hey, can you point it in my direction? Thank you. And let's see, half a cup of greensand, half a cup of soft rock phosphate, half a cup of lime, and that's good for starting seeds. If you're gonna be transplanting little plants, then you can put also a half cup of blood meal in it.
Can I do this with you?
Yeah. All right.
Charlie was splashing the dirt and it fell off. It came off. I am not.
All right, we're gonna go see how these nice kiddos are mixing up our potting soil for us. You guys getting along real nice?
No, Charlie was splashing the dirt. No, I was. I am, but those two are starting.
No, I'm doing it this time. All right, guys, let me see how you mixed it. Let me see this. All right, looks like there's some dirt in the bottom you missed. All right, good job. All right, we just moved over under our porch because it started raining. So we just added the half cup lime and we added a cup of green sand. We also need the soft rock phosphate, but we don't have any and our local nursery doesn't have any. So we're gonna leave it out this time and see how our plants do. All right, we're getting finished up with mixing it up, and then we're gonna start our pots and planting. Another thing you have to do before you load it into your trays is add water and make it kind of moist. Alright, so we're inside now, and we are going to be planting our tomatoes and lettuce, and once we get them all planted up, we'll show you how we set up our lights, and that'll be it for today.
So we just finished it and he's watering it. So he was already watering those plants. Now he's watering the plants. Hasn't watered anyone. Sorry to save my finger. Oh, there's our new greenhouse. And we just put that tree there. And that's the stuff that's in there. We put water in it, and
Look this way.
so.
Can you see me?
Well, pretty, yeah.
All right, so we just finished planting. We just watered. Now we're gonna take them inside, put them on a heat mat, and we'll show you that, and then we'll be done. Alright, we're setting our plants in here.
Yep.
And if you look over here, can you see this? This is our heat mat. This is what we're going to set the tomatoes on because they like it extra warm. And then we're going to keep the temperature in here about 65 or 70. And that heat mat will keep them even toastier. Alright, point the camera at me. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something. Let us know if you have any questions. Hope you're getting your garden started. That's it for today. Sorry for the delay on videos. We haven't put any up for about a year. Can you still see me, Charlie?
Yeah.
Point it so I'm in the middle of the screen.
Okay.
Okay. Hopefully we'll do more this spring. Maybe we'll be able to do a video every time we're doing something in the garden, pretty much. So maybe in a few days we'll show you when these guys come up. Like the video. We'll see you next time.